Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to create an account on MoneyGram. First, open your web browser and go to the official MoneyGram website. This is where you'll begin setting up your new account. Once on the home page, look for the Sign Up or Register button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click it, and then you'll be asked to enter your personal details. This includes your full name, home address, date of birth, and contact information like your email address and phone number. Make sure everything is accurate because MoneyGram may need this for verification. After that, create a secure password for your account. A strong password should include uppercase and lowercase letters. Now, check your email inbox for a verification message from MoneyGram. Open it and click the verification link to confirm your email address. If it doesn't appear right away, check your spam or junk folder. In some cases, depending on your country or region, MoneyGram might require additional verification. This could mean uploading a government-issued ID or providing extra information to confirm your identity. These steps are important for security and compliance with financial regulations. And finally, review MoneyGram's terms and conditions carefully. Once you've read through them, confirm your agreement by clicking the checkbox or button provided. And that's it. You now have a MoneyGram international account ready to use for sending and receiving money worldwide. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.